Airbus A320 family is the world's best-selling single-aisle aircraft. An A320 takes off or lands somewhere in the world every 1.5 seconds of every day. The family has logged more than 117 million cycles since entry into service and records a best-in-class dispatch reliability of 99.7%. General characteristics: Aircraft A320-200. Maximum ramp weight, 70,400 kg. Maximum zero fuel weight, 61,000 kg. Seating capacity, 180, single class. General dimensions. Length of the aircraft: from nose to tail 37.57 meter. Distance from nose to power point, 2.55 meter. Distance from nose to front wheel, 5.07 meter. Distance from nose to engine, 11.12 meter. Distance from nose to fuel receptacle, 17.59 meter. Distance from nose to rear wheels, 17.71 meter. Distance from nose to wingtips, 22.4 meter. General dimensions. Aircraft has 4 doors. 1 for passengers, cargo, and 2 for emergency exit. Height of the passenger door from ground, 3.38 meter. Height of the cargo door from ground, 3.60 meter. Width of the aircraft body, 3.95 meter. General dimensions. Aircraft has 2 engines. Diameter of the engine, 2 meter. Height of the engine from ground, 0.57 meter. Aircraft has 2 wheels at front and 4 wheels at rear side. Interior arrangement. Single class. Passenger seats, 180 in total. Economy class, 180 seats. 6 abreast, 28/29 in pitch. Attendant seats, 5. Galleys, 2. Lavatories, 3. Interior arrangement. 2 class. Passenger seats, 150 in total. First class, 12 seats. 4 abreast, 36 in pitch. Economy class, 138 seats. 6 abreast, 32 in pitch. Attendant seats, 4. Galleys, 2. Lavatories, 3. Escape slides. Escape slides are provided at the following locations. 1 single or dual lane slide at passenger and cargo door. Dual lane over wing slides are installed above the wings in the left and right wing to fuselage for off-the-wing evacuation.